Hi everyone, Kurt here from Checker. We have one of the last busiest weekends coming up during the holiday season, so let's make sure we've got everyone out on the road to ensure we're picking up Calgarians and giving them the Checker pride and hospitality that we do so well every year. We have a vision at Checker, and that is to make the experience consistent. And what I mean by that is anytime someone gets into a Checker cab, they're going to get the same type of service no matter what car or what driver they get. And what I mean by that is people go into coffee shops they like, they go into restaurants they like, and they know what they're going to get. So when you go to a McDonald's, whether you're in the US, Canada, or abroad, and you order a Big Mac, for example, you know that Big Mac is going to taste, smell, and be the same no matter what country you go into. That is how I want people to feel when they get into a Checker cab. Every time they order a Checker cab, they know what they're going to expect, and it's the same through and through. We've got 3 issues that I want to talk about with you that I need your help with to help improve our customer service. We have over 600,000 rejects per year that are happening. And that is when a trip is sent to a car and a driver does not go pick up that customer. We had one customer rejected 80 times last weekend, and that we had, and the cars that rejected that trip were within 1.5 kilometers away from that pickup. So I ask you, do you think that customer got the service that she deserved from Checker? And who do you think she's calling now? I'll let you stew on that one for a while. The other challenge we've got is wide pickups. And for those that don't know what a wide pickup is, this is when you accept a trip and you load the customer or you turn your meter on nowhere's near the pickup location. We don't know that there was a problem with that trip until that customer calls back and says, "Where's my car?" or they're rebooked through the app. The other problem we have is meter flash, and that is when you accept a trip and you decide to turn your meter on, meter off because you choose not to go get that customer. Again, that tells the system that that trip was completed successfully. We need to work on that and ensure that when you accept a trip that you go get that right customer, because at the end of the day, the customer took the time to call Checker and we owe them that respect to go pick them up. Lastly, I want to thank everyone who took the time to fill out the survey on the potential meter rate increase. We value your feedback and your responses that were given. We'll have an answer out to you by the end of this week as to what we're going to do. And so let's get out there for the last weekend. Thank you very much and stay safe out there.